RF microwave multi-line connectors, board-to-board, board-to-FPC connectors, MLF Series. Murata's MLF series of RF microwave multi-line connectors are being used in many kinds of communications devices including smartphones and smartwatches. The features of RF microwave multi-line connectors MLF series are small size and low profile, simultaneous transmission of digital and RF signals, high mating reliability, and customization of measurement probes to customer specifications. This small and low-profile connector with multiple pins will contribute to the miniaturization of the products. Because MLF series can transmit both digital and RF signals, you can save a number of connectors. Pins are arranged in dual rows with a metal shield arranged between the rows, thereby securing isolation characteristics between the rows. The outer terminal has guiding structure and retaining connection structure. It makes mating process easy and prevent from terminals abrasion. Centering feature provided by the guiding structure of the outer terminal reduces abrasion of the inner terminal and stabilize mating reliability. We provide customized measurement probes that suits customer pin layout. For instance, when you use pin 1 and pin 10, we will provide a measurement probe with pins and cables that supports both pins. Murata can save customers the hassles of preparing measurement probes that suit each pin layouts. Murata's RF microwave multi-line connectors MLF series will contribute to sophistication and miniaturization of smartphones and wearable devices. Murata will continue to develop new connectors to meet higher frequency requirements such as 5G and millimeter wave.